Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel MAF Techno Solution. So in the last two lecture we saw that all the topics. I explained about all the topics. So in further lecture what we are going to cover. So I explained in last two lecture. Okay. Introduction about the Linux and Linux directory structure. We already covered this topic and basic commands. So before moving to this third topic, basic commands. So we need a Linux platform to practice our all commands. So we need Linux platform. So today in this lecture, what we'll do, we'll download a VirtualBox and Ubuntu system, Ubuntu ISO image file, and we'll install a Ubuntu system on VirtualBox. Okay, so let's begin. Go for your Google Chrome, search here VirtualBox download, and first option, go for this www.virtualbox.org.com. Click on this link and go to this download option and click on Windows host. Okay, to download VirtualBox, click for if you are using Windows machine. On Windows machine you want to install VirtualBox, click on Windows host. Okay, the download is begin here. So it's a 106 MB of file. Wait for few minutes, it will download your file. Okay, and downloading VirtualBox is done. So just click on that downloaded file. Okay, say yes to install your VirtualBox. Click on next, and in this C directory, C program files, Oracle VirtualBox. In this location, it will going to create your all files. It will store your all files in this directory. Okay, click on next, and if you want to change your location, installation location, you can click on browse and change the location of installation. Okay, in my case, I will keep default as it is. Click on next. Okay, click on yes. Click on yes and click on install. Okay, if you are selecting this option, means after finishing, so it will launch your VirtualBox. Click on finish, wait for few seconds, it will open, it will launch your VirtualBox. Okay, and minimize this. Okay, your VirtualBox is now running. Okay, click on new. Okay, give a system name. Okay, before proceeding to install the Ubuntu system, so here in this iOS image, here you need a iOS image file to install your Ubuntu system. Okay, for that we will download the, go back to Google Chrome and we will download Ubuntu iOS file, iOS image file. Okay, click here Ubuntu, just hit enter, go for ubuntu.com. Okay, here click on get Ubuntu and here go to this download option and go for this Ubuntu desktop, get Ubuntu desktop. Okay, click on this. Okay, little bit scroll down. Okay, here for this, that is Ubuntu 22.04.3 version, that is LTS, long term support. Okay, this is your download option. Just click on download. Okay, downloading is begin here. So it's a 4.7 GB of file. In my case, I already downloaded this Ubuntu 22.0 version file. So I will pause this. So here already I downloaded the file. Okay, I will open where I downloaded Ubuntu file. Click on directory. Open. Okay. In local disk, download files. I downloaded and I kept my iOS image file, Ubuntu iOS image file here. Okay, so go back to our VirtualBox installation. Okay, click on new, give your system name. I will give Ubuntu, and here in this iOS image, here you need to select a iOS image file where you will download it. Click on others, and in local disk, in download file, I'm downloading my Ubuntu file here and I kept here. Select that one file where you were kept the downloaded and kept your iOS image. Select that iOS image file and click on open. Okay, I'm selected iOS image file here. Okay, click on next. Okay, already one time I downloaded, so that's why it's showing like can't overwrite a machine folder. So I will change a directory name like new Ubuntu new. Okay, already I downloaded and I installed. Okay, so that's why it's not allowing to overwrite with the same file name. So I just kept you can keep the whatever the name you want to keep for your machine. Okay, I will keep Ubuntu new one. Okay, click on next. Okay, it will give the by default name and password. So you change the according to your expectation. So I will give MAP, change password, give your password, whatever password you want to keep for your Ubuntu system. Give the password. Okay, I have given and click on next. Okay, so my system is 8 GB, having 8 GB of RAM. So I will give in that 4 GB. I will give 4 GB of RAM. So if you are having like a 16 GB RAM and you can give up to 8 GB also. So that depends on your requirement. Okay, so I will give 2 core CPU. So each core having the two core CPUs. Okay, if you are selecting 2 CPU means you are selecting 4 core CPUs. Okay, so each CPU having 2 cores. Okay, yeah, I'm selected 2 core CPU. I'll click on next. Okay, here it's suggesting by default it will suggest 15 GB. So if you are having in a disk like where you are installing in C disk or it may be in D disk, where you are installing, if you are having a sufficient space, you can give around 50 to 100 GB also. Okay, I'm having around 50 GB. I will give in the 30 GB of space. Okay, and okay, click on next. Okay, and click on finish. Okay, your installation is begin. Wait for few minutes. Okay, select try or install Ubuntu. Okay, okay, now your installation is begin. It will take several minutes, so keep patience and wait for until the installation is complete. Wait for few minutes. Wait for the installation. Okay, installation is completed. Now just click on email and log in along with your password which you were given for before installation. Okay, hit on enter. Okay, now your system is ready to use. Click on show application and click on terminal. Okay. First, you go to your routine, search, root. Give your password, hit enter. Okay. Do cat etc os release. Hit enter. Okay. Now we are successfully installed the Ubuntu machine or VirtualBox. See, this is your system name and the version is 2.22.04. Okay. Your Ubuntu system is successfully installed. Okay. In the next class onwards, so we'll see the basic commands. That we'll start our third topic, and next class onwards we will do our all practicals. Okay. I hope this video is helpful to you guys. Okay, we will meet in the next class. Thank you.